Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Esperance 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by Mr. Zweli Abdul.
How's it, brother?
I'm good, brother.
You good, man?
Brother.
Hey, long time, short sleeve.
Yes, sir.
Hey, very short, eh? Yeah. It's good to be back, eh?
Definitely.
Yeah. No. I can see that when I go, people change even their appearance.
Sure.
Yeah, I see people wearing glasses, yeah. Like Mr. Four Eyes, eh?
Yeah. They call me Mr. Steve Compel.
Yeah? No. That one is much better. You analyze the mic.
I'll analyze the mic.
This one is perpendicular, vertically, paravanchas to the motion of my understanding. Yeah,
Steve.
But no, enough about that. Hey, as mangasa show kanjalo ukuthi
bombastic ways.
No. Bengafuni kuya kude yabona ngoba ngizoconfuse necamera. Ngoba ngifuna ukufana nalama politician akwi Chiefs. Indaba hey, rambunctious liso. The state of the nation address. Yeah. This is the paramount, imperative, flamboyantly so, frivolously so. Bega bro.
And you are the politician.
No. Yabona some things ne dala ngisho ukuthi bazoze baphenduka into abangasiyo. Abo papa wase ku ama motivational speaker. He's a coach now.
Yeah.
Futhi is an advisor. Yeah, you are advisor.
Ngani?
Angitibeka loka advise iPirates ukuthi ithole muphu coach kwenzakalani.
Yes.
Yeah, so sekazi ne sokomprofeti futhi.
Kahle.
Wazi nokuthi kusetshenziswa umuthi bekakhuluma ngani ngomadubula.
Yeah.
Uyayibona lento ukuthi uJose ukhathele ukugeza ngomadubula. Kungcono ke na ngoba uyageza ngomadubula uyawina.
Ukwaze laphi vele?
Asazi yabona yiko ngihlale ngisho ngithi mina yabona umthakathi omkhulu angeke azaziveza until kuze konakala.
Yeah.
Sekuyavela ke manje.
Ukuthi abobani
angeke ukhulume ngento ongayazi. Ukhuluma kanjani ngomuthi ungawazi?
Marave.
Mawahamba udokotela uzowazi amaphilisi.
Pay.
Yeah, mawazi imithi namadubula yabona ukhuluma ngento oyaziyo.
Wambinya.
So yeah, asibambeni kanjalo. Mangaqala. Bayazi baphenduka ama motivational speaker babona ama fans abanye seba retire manje. Ngitshelile kuyasayinwa manje ama resignation letter.
Kahle.
Thiwe mayengadliwa Sunday abanye bayo support ischeme sami. Abanye mayengadliwa Sunday I stop supporting Kaizer Chiefs. Uyayibona lento le. Ziyabuya ndo. Ziyabuya. Washo Thobejani. Football can kill you real dead.
It can.
Serious.
It can.
Bega real dead. Uyayibona. So abanye abantu sekuyavela manje kancane. Abo papa wabathi noma ngavula ipolitical party bayakhona noma kungenzakalani bayakhona bayofela khona.
Abakhulumi ngebhola.
Abakhulumi ngebhola mfethu.
No talks ngebhola.
Liya improve lepo. Uyabona ukuthi sebalimazile iChiefs.
Too much.
Ibalimaze nomqondo psychologically abasacabangi nangebhola sebacabanga nangezinye izinto
ezi. Yeah. Makaminiero ringivari.
Umakhetha kanjani team edliwa kanje? Uyayibona lento le.
Snacks.
Still manje basayimarketha. Usithengisela kanjani mara siyabona ukuthi uyasupport you waste angeke. You waste. You support the Chiefs manje. Unga-advertise umakoti oshaywayo. Yeah.
It's a waste.
Wasting mfethu.
Miniero.
Mfethu yazi ifana bheka okay ngi-explain. Alright bangangikhahleli abantu bakho kuma comment. Mara anyway it's fine. Bheka ne. Masazi ukuthi unoncedo. Unceda abafana. then wena uyamthatha ufuna ukumenza umfazi siyazi ukuthi ibhola labafana ngithi
Yeah.
so bafuna ibhola labo mawulithatha uyolipokotela endlini bazoyenzana bazoza bazogqekeza abafana balanda endlini ngoba bafuna ini ibhola labo lokudlala bafuna into yabo yokudlala uyangithola so manje ungasithengiseli into enje baba uyayibona siyazi hayi siyazi baba ungasithengisela ngeke baba bazomlanda lo makoti bazokhala ene manje batla uhera pha batla uhera yabona
ikhosi lelo
ayishaskisi bafethu kahle bengadlali ikhosi bengadlali ikhosi bekudlala iSundowns Esperance yabona yeah but let's get to the game i-game lena ngiyibonanga inomehluko omkhulu yabona Sundowns izelana ukuzoqedelela nje yabona ukuthi okay naku sidlalile la ekhaya noma singathola igoli elilodwa siba defend labantu laba yabona and same formation lebedlala ngayo Esperance iphinde yayiphinda futhi yabona but now it was a different Esperance yabona ukuthi mabe yaphambili lapha abafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi bayakora mara bebanganamuntu ozobakorela ama opportunities beze nawo bazama futhi lapha phambili kushawa ama cross abanye ngabona uRanga Chivavero lapha yabona abaningi baningi lapha yabona
laphuma ngaphandle
okay they can complain about VAR yabona but they must also complain ukuthi guys we had chances yabona so we can't ukuthi si rely ukuthi ngoba leyana yabona if they scored mhlambe 1 yabona before leyanto leya what yabona bebazosho ukuthi okay at least singakwazi ukuthi we scored a goal yayibona lo but they can't complain ukuthi hayi manje in all of that yayibona lento le it makes it look very useless yabona ukuthi hayi manje kushuthi bebadlala ngoreferee yayibona lento le and judging upon that yayibona ukuthi they are bullies yabona they are bullying the referee and I mean I still say ukuthi these referees are biased when it comes to ICAF they are very biased Sundowns might thola ama foul akacharge ureferee lo bamthinta kancane sekuyisibhedlela hospital uyangithola ama yellow card aphumile for Sundowns I'm 4 yabona kulaba kuphume 1 konke lama game kushuthi kahle Sundowns beyidlala nalabantu labe badlala isarafu no Sundowns knows how to play good football uyangithola so even nama tackles wabo you can tell ukuthi no they were going for the ball khona nalos divelos wela i1 lapha naba Jaju Ribeiro bamgayelo card yabona so ICAF must fix this thing ukuthi ithola abo referee aba biased who are going to be bullied lapha uyayibona by the North African teams
yes
yabona when they get there they want to bully everyone and they want to bully everything yabona including the technical team yabona they want to bulldoze everything babonisa ukuthi ayazini thina singayinyova lento le yabona unfortunately ama fans we Sundowns bewangekho ngale yabona for safety yabo ngoba sibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni lo futhi
Josie 14
ibezikhaya indaba baba solve fa bacede ngabacima
manje tabela thatha abantu
abathi abodi komikana bale
Akimo Warix
Ario warra
long
warra batampetha mole
yabona warisocho umuntu
bangaligudi
umuntu
lingawalela pali lingawalela pali
hayi umuntu ngiyamthemba
yo
hayi ngiyamthemba
uphi
umuntu
angeke
umuntu isosha
gola yakhe bayamuya
isosha long
ngazodlala ulong lingawalela pali lelana yo ngaba ngathi ingubo bayinekile yabona mayiwa egradini wa aya ngeke baba solve fast mara anyway it's good to have a laugh yabona sikhumbule
but the decision fast
no no ngikhulume ngayo zisuka basiyeke sa celebrate uyoks wa post yabona siqale sathandaza yabona bathi hayi sithandazela into engekho was supposed to yoku celebrate bathi hayi igoal lela akusilo yabona ukuthi baswastele energy okoqala and the two that was a clear goal that one I'm mfethu ngikhuluma eziseza ukuthi hayi no i clear goal yamuntu ngoba mabezothi offside offside uphuma kuphi lo yamuntu and u-obstructe uyabona uRowan Williams ukuthi attacker kanjalo ubonile ukuthi ama-defense wakhe ne avalela lo muntu and awasakwazi ukumkhava ngoba le bhola leli sekalibambile yabona already sekaphuma phakathi kwabo angeke lo muntu lona mfethu already ukwi-offside position uWilliams abone ukuthi okay lo muntu ku-offside avela aphume nje ukhishwa yini Williams ubonile ukuthi lo muntu khona onside uyangithola and the two uWilliams akamanamana aphume uyangithola uboni if it was an offside bekazozimela uyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo alidedela so siyazi ukuthi Sundowns na last time mayizowina iCAF ne beyisehlele endlini baphuza itiye bayibiza yaqhubeka bayibiza yaqhubeka uyabona so namanje asingathandi ukusho online branch noma ningasi-attack but tell the truth and shame the devil uyabona ukuthi into yanamhlanje yenzakalile abantwana babantu barojiwe nize ngenye brown envelope esinye strategy imahindra bayikhiphile futhi yabona so angesisaya kude mara nje ngizosho ukuthi man of the match ureferee ureferee ngiyamnika ureferee uthengise negame beka la akusu referee le nto leya mamdobhile la muntu lana abathi azoreva lapha and iVAR into siyaziyo ukuthi mawuqale bashaya impempe wathi angithi uthini it's a sign ukuthi I'm going to the screen yayibona so le sign bekungamela iyenze bekumele athi ke endlebeni uyabona ukuthi ngizolalela uyabona ukuthi hayi yabona ngizolalela ngoba uvele walalela kuphela iyachaya asazi ukuthi bekakhuluma nobani bakhulume ipi language kwaphela kanjalo ngeEsperance
ngicela ukuyivala mina
ungakangivali mfethu mapakani yamahla siyanicela kusasa kube emnyama akupoke le Orlando esigodini kubophe siyanicela phumani ngobuningi namakhosikazi noma namakhosikazi awaphume yabona angahlale naturena sontuduza phambili at least man niyobukela iPirates nizoba nemotivation yabona ukuthi Sunday ngoba iSundowns idlalile namhlanje ngabe baya trainer bona abazokhuluma ngeSundowns angazi mina kwenzakalani iChiefs man hayi no ngabe bayojima manje baloku bakhuluma ngeSundowns bakhuluma nango Jose Rivero bakhuluma nango coach wethu omunye uvele wa trenda nje umnikazi weChiefs orubani uvelo watrenda manje asitshela ukuthi uyahamba uJose thina unabi basazomgcina yo
angeke kulungela
Nabir brother I still see you in another season brother honey you must come fetch it from me it won't be sweet that side
again